Project Xcloud, the exciting technology from Microsoft and Xbox that gives the words mobile gaming a whole new meaning. But exactly what is it and why should we use it? Welcome everybody and thank you for joining me for another gaming news video. Project Xcloud is a cutting-edge game streaming technology that takes the power of Xbox and everything that comes along with it and puts it in our mobile phones or tablets. At least that's how it's being described by Microsoft. Today I want to go a bit deeper into this feature and take a look at exactly what it means for gaming and why we should consider using it. Now this feature caught my attention a few months back for a couple of reasons. Just the idea of playing AAA Microsoft games on my mobile phone is extremely exciting, but also the thought process behind it and how it can actually help you to make decisions on what games to buy on your console. And the instant access to preview games is a great concept and open up a whole new world of possibilities when it comes to gaming on the cloud. As I've mentioned, not only can you play Xbox games on your mobile phone or tablet, but you can pretty much carry over your entire Xbox profile to your phone. Your friends, your social network, your saved games, your achievements, your gaming history and all of your progression. Everything is accessible to you, and the reason why you have this freedom to play where you want is because of the cloud. Now there is already more than 50 games available, and the best part is you get access to all of those games immediately, and that include games like Halo 5, Tomb Raider, Just Cause 4 and Forza. And the reason why this is important is because it won't stop there. Cloud gaming will soon include some PC games as well. We have been hearing about them wanting to create a game library that works like Netflix for a while now, and it is exciting to see the progression that they're making in that front. Now this is not a new idea by any stretch of the imagination. PlayStation Now has been available on the PlayStation 4 for several years now. Nvidia launched the full GeForce Now servers in early 2020, and Xcloud's major rival Google Stadia launched in November of 2019, but Microsoft believe that they will have an advantage over their rivals because they plan to utilize the vast library of over 3,000 games. Now it is worth pointing out the impact that a service like this will have on those who do not own an Xbox for whatever reason that might be. Maybe they can't afford an Xbox One. Well, now you get to experience all of those games but on your phone, and that opens up a whole new potential gaming market. Now this service is already available in 13 countries, but it is still in the early stages. Now in order to register to be part of this preview project, you will need a compatible mobile device, and that means Android version 6.0 or greater, a Bluetooth version 4.0, a compatible wireless controller with Bluetooth, 5 GHz of Wi-Fi, or at least a mobile data connection that is 10 megabytes per second or faster, and then of course the Xbox game streaming app. Now when it comes to cost, right now it is free for all invitees, but when there is a full product available, there will almost certainly be a subscription cost. Now what that subscription cost might be, I'm not sure of, but if you consider that PlayStation Now and Google Stadia cost $8.99, we will most likely be looking at a similar price point for Project Xcloud. Now they can also just include it in the Xbox Game Pass service. Now the larger impact of a service like this is obviously what it would mean for the consoles themselves. Having a service where you can get instant access to games immediately on the Xbox Series X or the PlayStation 5 would be absolutely amazing, and when I listen to the talks, it does look like that is the direction that they're going in. Just being able to have instant access to a beta version of a game would be great and go a long way to help make decisions in what games to buy next, but luckily that seems to be the focus point. But I am excited to see where gaming on the cloud goes next. The potential is endless. But on that note, this is where I'm going to end it. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button, consider subscribing for more videos like this. Please remember to stay safe, wash your hands, don't touch your face, and I hope to see you again soon.